Assalamu alaikum. I am Sahir Khan. Today we will know about shimmer effect. So let's find out. Now I have already made the UI design because I don't want the video to be long. So I did it for this. Now here I took a list name or images. Then in the body I took a staggered grid view. Then here in the item builder I returned clipper react. Then in the clipper react I took image.network. Then in image.network what I did I gave images list. Okay, now what I will create a new function namer bold effect. In the function I will return R. I will go to body. Then here in the item builder I will copy and give it the whole clipper react. Now first I will remove the image.network. Then I will take container. In the container I will take color. Color are colors dot gray. Now I will wrap the clipper react with shimmer effect. Shimmer dot from colors. Now in the shimmer I will take first base color. Colors dot gray dot shade 400. Then highlight color. Colors dot gray dot shade 200. Then I will take bool variable. Bool is loading equal false. Then I will go to the item builder. In the item builder first I will take if else statement. If is loading is true, then I will return bold effect function. Then else if is loading is false, then I will give the whole clipper react. Now I will take init state here. In the init state I will create a new function namer get effect Now in the get effect function, first I will take set state. Then in the set state, I will change the is loading from false to true. Then I will take future dot delay. Then I will take duration with 7 seconds. Then I will leave callback function empty. Then after semicolon, then I will take again set state. Then in the set state, I will give is loading is false. Then here I will give semicolon. Then here I will remove the curly brace. Then what I will do, now I will save and see it's work or not. Okay, it's not work. Why? I will check. Okay, here I will take async. Then in the get effects, here I will give await. Now I will save and see. Okay, now it's working. So this is the shimmer loading effects. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, then let me know in the comments and practice more. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone. Stay well.